Good day to my caring and loving YouTube subscribers. Today I'm going to show you how to upload a video onto your Instagram story that's longer than 15 seconds. So once you're on your Instagram app, you're just going to head over and take your story post as normal. And then once you're taking it, you might hold down on the button and think that you only have the 15 seconds because the circle is going around the meter. But as you see, once it is up and goes around the meter once, it's going to create a whole different video, and then you'll be able to create a video that's longer than 15 seconds, and it'll just be divided up in pieces, as I will show you once I'm done recording this video. Now, what it is essentially doing is you could see the little rectangles that are forming above the recording button itself. And what it is doing, it is taking videos in 15 seconds, but it's dividing them up because it only really allows you to take 15-second videos. But if you could do this, you could just add multiple 15-second videos at one, and it'll just transition right into the other. So I'm just going to post this to my story and show you how it works. So once I'm viewing my story as you would any other story, you're going to see at the top screen that there's different bars and there's different stories for each one that I posted. And you're going to skip past, and it looks like it's just a bunch of different created stories, but once you go through the video, it's going to be one consistent flowing video, and you'll be able to upload this to all of your Instagram followers. If you found this tutorial confusing at all, or you had any questions, don't hesitate to drop a comment and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and also read the description because there's very important information that you won't want to miss.